Hello, everyone. Are you wondering what is an average salary of a construction worker in Djibouti? Let's explore. Construction jobs are important in Djibouti, especially with ongoing infrastructure and port development. The average annual gross salary for a construction worker is around $5,400, which comes down to about $450 per month. After taxes, the annual salary is roughly $4,600 or around $380 per month. Salaries in the capital are usually higher than in other areas. Workers outside Djibouti City often earn less than $4,000 per year. New workers may earn as low as $3,000 a year, while experienced workers can make up to $7,000 depending on skill level and project type. In most cases, having a university degree is not required, but those with one may move into higher-paying roles like construction management, while those without it usually stay in lower-paid labor positions. Please like the video and share your salary in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Goodbye.